Welcome back to Giggle Thinkers! Are you ready to play and learn? Simple magnet experiments showcasing attraction and repulsion. Let's giggle, guess, and grow together. What does a magnet stick to? B metal. What happens when two magnets pull together? B, they attract. What happens when two magnets push away from each other? C, they repel. Which of these can a magnet pick up? B, scissors. What shape is a bar magnet? B, long rectangle. What kind of toy might have magnets inside? A, magnetic blocks. What do we call the ends of a magnet? C, poles. Can magnets work through paper? A, yes. What will happen if you try to stick a magnet to plastic? C, it won't stick. What can you use magnets to build? B, a magnet maze. Which of these is not magnetic? B, book. What part of a refrigerator is usually magnetic? A, the door. What do we call it when magnets pull metal objects? A, attraction. What kind of metal do magnets love most? B, iron. What should you always do with magnets after playtime? C, put them away safely. Now, what can you use a magnet to find in the sand? C, hidden metal. What shape is a horseshoe magnet? A, U-shape. Which of these items is most likely to stick to a magnet? B, iron nail. Where should you not put magnets near? B, electronics. What do we call the force that makes magnets work? B, magnetism. Thank you for watching Giggle Thinkers. Make sure to subscribe for more learning and fun.